Hi guys, today we're going to install the cargo trunk mat from Ruiya in Volvo XC40. It comes folded like this. It's specifically designed for this vehicle. It is made of TPE material, which is 100% non-toxic. It is odorless, which means it won't emit any chemicals in the vehicle. And we'll show you guys the texture. It's non-slip, as you can see. The material is quite light, so it won't add too much weight to your car. The material is waterproof. As you can see, we have these raised edges which will fold it slightly because of the transportation. If you leave it long enough sitting in the car, it will retain its shape, but there is a faster way to do it. Instruction that comes with the set advises to use either the hairdryer or the heat gun to warm up the mat. This way we'll be able to adjust it using our hands. So we'll use this heat gun from Makita right now, and I will basically start warming up the mat. As we said, you guys can also use the hairdryer, which actually seems to work faster in this case. Just put it on maximum and start warming up the edges in particular, and at the same time adjust it with your hand. And this seems to work the best. Alright, after about 20 minutes of warming up our edges, this is how it all looks now. Looks almost the way it's supposed to be. I think it will take a few more days for it to fully retain its shape, but already, as you can see, it looks quite good. Again, I want to point out the importance of these raised edges all around. They will prevent possible leaks or spillages from going inside the vehicle. Besides that, any dirt that accumulates inside this mat again will stay here. And as you can see, the original mat actually it doesn't have these edges at all. Again, I want to point out that it's waterproof and it's very easy to wash. You just get a wet rag and wash the mat. Our back door will close as well. It doesn't obstruct it, which is good. And besides that, I did mention that it was designed for this vehicle. I'll show you guys how it looks on the other side. This is how it looks, and we have here it says for XC40 for this vehicle, and it also actually fits the C40. I'll reinstall it. It's very light, very easy to manage, and besides that it actually doesn't really slide, which again is good. Again, guys, this is the mat from Ruiya. I will leave you the link in the description, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.